Choice Learning acts as a resource as well as a content provider and software liaison. We ensure students have mock training that prepares them for the job force, giving them an edge. We want to see students find meaningful work, and we take the guesswork out of offering an EMR to students. It supports asynchronous learning, in-person and virtual learning models. You can pick and choose your content to meet your program approval guidelines. EMR is an acronym for Electronic Medical Record. It is a compilation of patient health information in a digital format. More providers having access to a patient's health history allows for more efficiency in healthcare. With EMRs, there is a greater likelihood for patients to receive the medical care they need and for a correct diagnosis to be made. We help college students, instructors, as well as individuals looking to update their EMR knowledge with hands-on training. We offer an EMR simulation with patients and scenarios students can practice on. We provide a classroom solution for faculty with unlimited onboarding and training, with a workbook, training guides, videos, technical support, and answer keys. The simulation training is an exact replication of a doctor's office while allowing a shared centralized database to be used for graded work. The key features of the simulation are audio files of dictated chart notes, employee-level access to industry versions of electronic medical record systems, databases that can be shared by multiple program areas, medical simulation tasks for patients to be used with provided EMR software and workbook, ongoing instructor training related to the workbook materials, training guides and videos to support the provided workbook, patient lists for various demographic areas that are unique to each student, test bank and answer keys. Instructors are set up with audit trail capabilities for teaching and marking, and real-time FDB and provincial coding updates, as well as technical support. Learning an EMR can be overwhelming, so I enjoy giving students the confidence they need with employable skills. Also, being a former instructor myself, I think the biggest problem instructors have is needing to learn multiple software platforms, often with little time for practice. So Choice EMR Learning helps save instructors time by focusing on providing quality onboarding and teaching the instructors what they need to know to teach their students what's covered in the workbook. I'm really passionate about making a difference in students' lives and finding ways to give back to our healthcare system. Our user-friendly training gives students the confidence and experience they need to work in a medical environment and a competitive edge in job interviews. We choose to use highly recognizable, certified EMR software vendors, which benefits students when listed on their resumes. When students use the EMR software, they can make mistakes they can learn from in a simulated environment, and their work can be graded. This will increase their chances of success when they go out into the workplace. The EMR simulation helps colleges seamlessly offer training to their students without worrying about developing student-specific training materials and assignments. We look after updating the curriculum materials and answer keys, saving faculty a huge amount of work. I saw an opportunity to use my background as a college instructor and an EMR systems analyst to develop an EMR simulation that would help students get quality EMR training. We help to alleviate the healthcare staffing crisis, increase efficiency in healthcare, and improve students' lives by increasing their employment options. The biggest misconception is that Choice EMR is a software company. We are not a software company, but we believe you get a far better training experience for your students if you use our training package. I would say when you go to the doctor, you see them entering all the stuff they see about you and all the stuff you tell them about you into the computer. And the people at the doctor's office didn't always know how to use the computer for this. So we show people how to use it by letting them pretend they work in a doctor's office to learn how it all works in a real-to-life way. We offer a managed EMR with program-specific templates and a learning platform that can be used in most college healthcare programs. Most EMR products come with similar features and functions, but where we differ is in our technical support and our full learning simulation for colleges. Choice EMR Learning's curriculum meets or exceeds many health program standards set out by the Ministry of Training, colleges, and universities, and our full service package is the only customizable and markable solution on the market today. We have had students let us know that it's user-friendly and easy to use, fun and enjoyable to work with, that it gave them confidence and gave them an idea what their real job would be like, that it gave them a competitive edge in a job interview and helped them find employment with a good salary, and that they received great technical support that was highly rated from Choice Learning. We have also heard from instructors that the resources and support were amazing and that it was a 5-star user-friendly program and that things were set up very well and our team was very supportive, as well as it was helpful for the students and that the students loved it and that instructors loved simulating real-life scenarios for their students. You can check out our website. There's a lot of great information there at choicelearning.ca. And while you're there, you can click on the calendar to book a demo, or you can call us, or you can follow our various social media links.